Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Mannan, Assistant Teacher, Bangladesh and Global Studies, Shamsullah Khan School and College, English version. Dear students, welcome in this class. After completing first semester exam, today we are going to start our second semester class. Students, at first, we will know our second semester syllabus. You see in the slide, second semester syllabus. Second semester, total 4 chapter. Chapter 3, Bangladesh in the global geographical environment. Chapter 5, Society of Bangladesh. Chapter 9, Environment of Bangladesh. And Chapter 12, Bangladesh and Regional Cooperation. Then, next, today, I will take a class on Chapter 3, Lesson 1 and Lesson 2-3. Then, next slide. You see in the slide key points of this chapter. This chapter, there are total 8 lessons. At first, introduction. Then, lesson 1, geographical introduction to continents. Lesson 2-3, geographical location, area, physiography, and climate of Asia. Lesson 4, population, economy, and religion in Asia. Lesson 5-6, position of Bangladesh in Asia. And lesson 7-8, location and importance of the ocean of the world. Total 8 lessons in this chapter. Today I will take a class on lesson 1 and lesson 2-3. Okay, after studying this chapter, we will able to, after completing and after studying this chapter, we will able to explain. Number 1, explain geographical position, area, population of Asia, and geophysics and climate, economy and religion of Asia. Then you can explain the continent of Asia in global context and the position of Bangladesh in Asia, and describe location and importance of different oceans. Then last, indicate the location of Bangladesh in Asia drawn in map. These 4 things you can explain after completing this chapter. Okay. You see in the slide, chapter 3, lesson 1, geographical introduction to continents, and lesson 2-3, geographical location, area, physiography, and climate of Asia. Then, next slide. At first, we will know world map. You see in the slide, world map. In the world map, there are more information. We know in the world, total 7 continents and 5 oceans. 7 continents, you see carefully, Asia continent, Europe and Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and downside of the map, Antarctica. Antarctic continent is ice-covered continent. And we know there are 5 oceans. Number 1, Pacific Ocean, the biggest ocean of the world. And number 2, Atlantic Ocean. Number 3, Indian Ocean. Number 4, North Ocean. And number 6, and number 5, South Ocean. Total 5 oceans. Then, next, map of Asia continent. Because today we will discuss on Asia continent. So, you see in the slide, map of Asia continent. In this continent, Russia is the largest country of the world, and as like in the Asia continent, then another important country of the Asia continent, China, Kazakhstan, India, and our country, Bangladesh. And you know, this Asia continent, this side is Siberia, this is north side, north, and this is south side. You see in the Indian Ocean, south side of Asia continent, and this is east side, Pacific Ocean, and this is west side is the Atlantic Ocean. Then, next, introduction. We will see in the book introduction. You see in the book introduction, continent. Listen carefully, students. Continent consists of some countries. Then any of the large ever unbroken territory in the world is called continent, which is generally isolated from one another by mass water. This is the definition of continent. Continent is a large ever unbroken territory in the world, which is isolated from one another by mass water. There are 7 continents in the world. Asia is the one of them, and Bangladesh is included in the Asia continent. In the world map, Bangladesh occupied a place in the world through a long political and cultural struggle and great liberation war in 1971. Besides this, there are 5 oceans, already you know, and without this ocean there are some sea also, as like the Red Sea, South China Sea, and the Arab Sea, and also Bay of Bengal, its Gulf, and some important river also in the continent. And our Bay of Bengal is Gulf. This is included in the Indian Ocean. This is introduction of this chapter. Then next, you see in the slide, lesson 1, geographical introduction to continents. Now we will read lesson 1. Students, see carefully, listen, and try to understand. Lesson 1, geographical introduction to continents. We have come to know that there are 7 continents in the world. Already you know, 7 continents in the world. Asia is the one of them. Only 29% of the world area is landmass. Total world area, 9% landmass and 71% water. Though they are separated from the main landmass of the continent, they are parts of any of the continents. I mean, there are some islands and group of islands. They are separated from the main landmass of the continent, but they are parts of the continent. Island and group of islands. You know, that's as like our Manpur Island, Kutubdi Island, and especially our San Martin Island as like. And this island is the natural beauty of this island, and group of island is very charming. This is the natural beauty, and this island is attractive place for tourism, as like our San Martin Island. Beautiful tourist centers have been developed in the island. The whole of the continent is not plain land. In the whole of the continent is not plain land. There are some hill area, some mountains, some places. Places means high ground area. Level but high ground. In forest and rivers, also in the continent. In the world map, Bangladesh is located in the continent of Asia, is Indian subcontinent. Our position in the Asia continent, South Asia and Indian subcontinent. This is the lesson 1. Then lesson 2. Lesson 2 and 3 together. Geographical location, area, physiography and climate of Asia. Our position in the world map, geographical location and the area of Asia, and the physiography. Physiography means physical features of the continent and climate of Asia. Then next, lesson 2 and 3, geographical location, area, physiography, climate of Asia. You see, geographical location of and area of Asia. Actually, it is the largest continent, so this continent occupies 1/3 of the landmass of the world. 1/3 of the landmass of the world this continent occupies. And the area of the Asia is the largest continent in area, and as well as the population, Asia is the largest continent. The area of Asia, 4 crore 46 lakh and 14,000 square kilometer area. And the population, there is important information. If you together Europe and Africa continent, then Asia area is more than the together Europe and Africa continent. And if you together the North and South America continent, then the area of the Asia continent is more. So you can understand that this continent occupies the 1/3 of the world globe, 1/3 of the globe. And population. The population of the Asia continent, total population of the Asia continent, 442 crore 7 lakh people. Total 442 crore 7 lakh people. This data is 2014. It's old data living the Asia continent. Not only that, in this continent there are more ancient civilization. You know, in our second chapter 2, we have discussed some civilization, old and new civilization of Asia continent: China civilization, Chinese civilization, Persian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Hindu civilization, and in our country there are some second urban civilization also in the Asia continent. The remarkable mountains of civilization in the Asia: Great Wall of China and Hanging Garden of Babylon. The Great Wall of China, you know, is the wonder of the world, and another is Hanging Garden, is situated in the Iraq. These two remarkable mountains and monuments situated in the Asia continent. Then next, physiography and climate. Physiography means physical features, and climate. You see, physiography of Asia is totally varied, different. And nearly 1/3 of the area of this continent is plain land, 1/3 plain land, and the south side of the north side of this continent, Siberia, this ice covered area, and west side is desert. West side of the Asia continent, desert area, and south and southeast direction, lower riparian land. Riparian means a huge area which is situated on the bank of riverine area. This is riparian. Besides, among the physical features, igneous island to the east is remarkable. Japan and China, Korea side, igneous island, wherein volcano island and area situated in the east side of Asia continent. Then the biggest lagoon of the world, Caspian Sea. Lagoon means a vast saltwater area which is separated from sea. This is the lagoon, and then the name of the biggest lagoon of the world, Caspian Sea. Then this Caspian Sea is also situated in the Asia continent. 7 of the big rivers of the world flow through this continent. 7 world big rivers such as Yangtze, Huanghe, Euphrates River, Tigris River, our Podda, and Indian Ganga River, the remarkable river, they are situated in the Asia continent. Again, it is the world's highest mountain peak, Mount Everest. You know, the world's highest mountain peak is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is situated in the Nepal and China border. It's also situated in the Asia continent, and its height is 8,850 meters. You see, 8,850 meter height. The peak named Everest, named Sir George Everest. Named Sir George Everest. The peak name is Everest, and Sir George Everest was Chief of British India Survey Department. Sir George Everest was Chief of British India Survey Department. But its height was measured by a Bengali, his name Radhanath Sikdar. He measured the height of the Mount Everest. Mount Everest whole year is covered by the ice. And another information is Tenzin Sherpa and Edmund Hillary. Tenzin Sherpa, citizen of Nepal, and Edmund Hillary, citizen of New Zealand. At first they was ascended on the highest peak, Mount Everest, in 1953. You see, in 1953 they was ascended on the peak Mount Everest. And some Bengali, Musa Ibrahim, M. A. Mohit, Nishat Majumdar, M. the Waspian of them, they also ascended the peak of the Mount Everest. 4 Bengali, they are the Bangladeshi, Musa Ibrahim, M. A. Mohit, Nishat Majumdar, and Waspian of them, they also ascended on the peak Mount Everest. So then Climate. The climate of Asia is also full of variety. Climate also different. Tropical climate prevails on the longitudinal line within 10 degrees, a degree north and south of the equator. Actually, tropical climate, I mean summer climate, sunlight comes from in the earth's surface within 10 degree north and south of the equator. Equator is imaginary geographical line which is drawn the same distance from North Pole to South Pole. This is equator. It's imaginary geographical line, equator. Excessive heat and rainfall throughout the year on features of this climate. The features of this climate: 2. Excessive heat or rainfall. Rain abundant summer and rainless winter in the main features of monsoon climates. In the summer and monsoon climate features is abundant rain in the summer and the winter rainless condition. And monsoon means a seasonal wind. Seasonal wind. Southern Southeast Asia in Asia, Southern Southeast Asia, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Philippines, and also southern part of China and Japan are included in monsoon climate. This country also included in monsoon climate. Drought and difference of temperature have created desert area in the Middle Asia. The Middle Asia, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, Yemen, Bahrain, and Israel, Palestine, the Middle East country, and the middle area, the desert, and their temperature is hot and rainless condition, drought area in the Middle Asia. These are the today's discussion, lesson 1 and lesson 2-3. Lesson 1, the main feature of Asia, and the lesson 2-3, physical feature and the climate of Asia we have discussed. So students, you read carefully and try to understand. The next slide, homework. I've given some homework. You listen carefully. Prepare 2 one-word questions and answer from lesson 1 and lesson 2. You have to prepare 2 one-word questions and answer. Then write the answer of the following questions. This answer you will write. What is continent? Definition you will write. And how many continents and ocean are there? How many continents and ocean are there in the world? And number 6 question, what are the main features? What are the main features of Asia continent? You will write one by one the all main features of Asia continent. These are the homework for you. So you will prepare the homework carefully and inform me in the comment box. It's also today. Best of luck. Thank you all.